it's time for the next intermediate meditation activity. And this one will be a little easier, because the last one, I imagine, did perhaps provide some challenge. So now you're simply gonna brush your teeth while being aware of your breath. Just be in the motion, the movement. Be in the doing of brushing your teeth. Taking your toothbrush, putting on toothpaste, and just brushing. And you just be aware of your breath while doing it. While flossing. The entire teeth hygiene process, make it into a meditation. And I want you to do this every day the next week. So every day when you start brushing your teeth, before going to bed, or when you wake up in the morning, when you brush your teeth, take a second to calm down. Tune in to the breath. Take a few breaths consciously first, to align your mindset, you could say, with what is going to happen. And then simply brush your teeth. So it's usual that one's thoughts are taking us on trips when we're doing things that are automated, like showering, brushing teeth, putting on clothes. Everything we do habitually, it's easy to get lost in thought. But I want you to transform all of these mundane tasks into pockets of silence, pockets of meditation. And so, teach yourself how to meditate while brushing your teeth. And I'll see you in the next video.